नमस्ते, खुश हो बेटे। I, Jevin Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic ACTD. ACTD, Asian Common Technical Document Guidelines Overview. This topic belongs to the Pharmaceutical Regulatory Affairs for the B Pharm each semester. Now we come to the ACTD, Asian Abbreviated Association of Southeast Asian Nations. This ACTD document established in 8 August 1967. 10 member states are Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam. The Asian Common Technical Document is organized into 4 parts. The ACTD consists of Part 1 to Part 4, whereas ICH CTD has 5 modules. The administrative data of Part 1 is part of ACTD, whereas Module 1 of ICH. CTD is purely country specific. The summarizes of the quality Part 2nd and non-clinical Part 3rd and clinical Part 4 are located at the beginning of each part of ACTD. The ICH CTD dedicated these summarized in a separate module 2, as the ACTD does not have some summary part. It consists of only 4 parts and not 5. So this is the organization of ACTD. ACTD documents comprises following parts. Part 1, table of contents, administrative data and product information. Part 2nd, quality document. And part 3rd, non-clinical documents not applicable for generic products. Part 4, clinical documents non-applicable for generic products, some exception may apply. ACTD table content, organization of ACTD, part 1, table of content, administrative information and prescribing information. Section A, introduction. Section B, overall Asian Common Technical Dossier table of contents. And section 3, documents required for registration, for example, application forms, labeling, product data sheet, and prescribing information. Part 2nd, quality documents. Section A, table of contents. Section B, quality overall summary. And section C, body of data. Organization of ACTD in part 3rd, non-clinical document. Section A, table of contents. Section B, non-clinical overview. Section C, non-clinical written and tabulated summarize. Table of content, pharmacology, pharmacokinetics, and toxicology. Section D, non-clinical study report, table of contents, pharmacology, pharmacokinetic, and toxicology. Now we come to the part 4, clinical document. Section A, table of contents. Section B, clinical overview. Section C, clinical summary, and summary of biopharmaceutics and associated analytical method. Summary of clinical pharmacology study, summary of clinical efficacy, summary of clinical safety, and synopsis of individual study. Section D, tabular listing of all clinical studies. Section E, clinical study reports. Section F, list of key literature references. So now we come to the generic guide definition. Active pharmaceutical ingredients. Active pharmaceutical ingredient, a substance or compound that is intended to be used in the manufacture of a pharmaceutical product as a therapeutically active compound. Pharmaceutical products, any preparation for human or veterinary use that is intended to modify or explore physiological systems or pathological states for the benefit of the recipient. Finished pharmaceutical product, a product that are undergone all stages of production, including packaging in its final container and labeling. Module 1st, part 1 contains initially the overall table of contents of the whole ACTD to to provide basically the information that could be looked through respectively. Second, the next content is the administrative data where require specific documentation in details is put together such as application forms, label and package inserts, etc. The last section of this part is product information where necessary information includes prescribed information, made of action and side effect, etc. Application Form 1, Letter of Authorization, Certifications, Manufacturer Licenses, and GMP Certificate. Site Master File, Labeling and Production Information. According to all modules, this document of this part is required to generic products. So now module 4 is belong to in the ASEAN region for filing the generic drug, their name and emphasize on quality document. So the list of documents required, application form, letter of authorization and certifications. So this is the complete session of Asian Common Technical Document. This session powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you and thank you for the listening.